born on January 3, 1892, Bloemfontein, South Africa. Here are some of J.R.R. Tolkien's most powerful and inspirational quotes, gathered from his various works, including books and essays. Each of these quotes contains insights and wisdom summarized into life motivations. We present a collection of J.R.R. Tolkien quotes. All that is gold does not glitter. The old that is strong does not wither. Deep roots are not reached by the frost. From the ashes of fire shall be woken a light, from the shadows shall spring. Renewed shall be blade that was broken. The crownless again shall be king. Not all those who wander are lost. I will not say, do not weep, for not all tears are an evil. Faithless is he that says farewell when the road darkens. May it be a light to you in dark places, when all other lights go out. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. It is not despair, for despair is only for those who see the end beyond all doubt. We do not. And you're with me, and the journey's finished. But after coming all that way, I don't want to give up yet. It's not like me, somehow, if you understand. It's the job that's never started, as takes longest to finish. Courage is found in unlikely places. There is nothing like looking. If you want to find something, you certainly usually find something if you look, but it is not always quite the something you were after. You have been chosen, and you must therefore use such strength and heart and wits as you have. Moonlight drowns out all but the brightest stars. The wide world is all about you. You can fence yourselves in, but you cannot forever fence it out. It does not do to leave a live dragon out of your calculations if you live near him. So comes snow after fire, and even dragons have their ending. A box without hinges, key, or lid, yet golden treasure inside is hiding. Many are the strange chances of the world, and help oft shall come from the hands of the weak when the wise falter. It is useless to meet revenge with revenge. It will heal nothing. His grief he will not forget, but it will not darken his heart, it will teach him wisdom. If more of us valued food and cheer, and song above hoarded gold, it would be a merrier world.